And today we are here. I want to get one of this low-key. It's in my list. It's in my list. Oh, this one. Shit, this shit is big though. Oh, I just touch this in a little bit. Let's see why they say they move. It doesn't really fix it well. Need a game stuff. Low-key. This shit is big though. It feels nice. I've been watching a lot of stuff about itself in YouTube and stuff. It's not really a lot of stuff. It's more of that guy that does shots and that guy that does shots and does that. What is it called? Nintendo versus Sony is the other PS. Yeah, Nintendo versus PS versus what's the other one? Xbox. Yeah. Wow, it is what it is.
Come on, help me take the controller. This one on the mad.
Say hi to the vlog.
Leave me alone, fam.
Money choke.
Come on.
You know those what is it called them? No, those what is it called them?
But do you think 825 gigs is enough space to play game?
Yes, man.
Because I'm still
How many games do you want to
should I just get this one?
Because if you get interesting ones that can do multiple, you get like Fortnite, you get a story mode game like Spider-Man, or you get this new game that's trending. The spy one, I forgot it. The story mode game, sure. And you get like football, and you get like God of War. Still gonna be space now. Still gonna be space.
Okay, mind made up. Because I don't think I want the normal one that carries disc. I think I want this digital edition that does not come with disc.
Does it come with? It comes with free Fortnite, yeah?
Yeah, it comes with free Fortnite.
Do you not play Fortnite?
I don't know.
Yeah.
If I'm being honest, I'm one of those people that I don't really play games. I just like owning the console for owning sake.
So you're a collector.
Exactly, yeah.
I would love that kind of thing. That was already to say. You know those stuff that you see on the internet. They have it like they have their own game room, where you have that big car driving shit.
Yeah.
Goes.
All right, so this is it. Let's go pick it up.
See, money choke.
Yes.
It's too early now. I want to scout a little.
Okay, fine. Let's scout. But since
Let's
you're
scout.
scouting, let me add the stake.
I've never settled down to be in a game room. You can even check some of these games now. Yeah.
Let's get a controller. I've added it to my cart. I want to do.
It does not come. It comes with
I
the
want
controller.
to order online. I don't want to buy from the store. Like I want to order online and then pick it up before I leave. Do you understand what I'm saying? Come and help me pick controller. Forget what you're thinking right now.
You want to order online, then pick it up when we are leaving, but we are here. That same line, you will sit there on that same line to pick it up.
Not necessarily, for pickup is different.
Yeah, Baba, I'm not doing that.
Alright, let's walk around.
Hey, let's check this. Wait. This Xbox. So Xbox only have two games. They only have two consoles. Xbox be expensive
My
though.
guy was like, oh, that's
$729
that's cheap.
for 1 terabyte.
That's cheap.
You sure?
That's cheap, fam.
Are you sure? I thought they raised it. I thought they raised it to like 900.
What most people like in Xbox. Each their own. And then my other guy is like a PC guy.
Yeah, if I get like a mad PC laptop, that's like that
You
was,
don't need a laptop.
I know I don't need a laptop, but I don't have a TV. I use a projector to watch my movies.
Get a fucking curved monitor. Shit is wild, fam.
A monitor, yeah. That
Those curved displays.
But
I'm
like
gonna get me one of those.
that kind of thing is like where you get like a better, much better apartment. Yeah, now so you have more. Oh,
I saw him wearing his thing on his neck, and I touched my neck. I couldn't find it. I looked at my hand. I couldn't find it.
you know it's on your head now. Dumb. Bro, what dumb girl. I already have the massage sheets. They'll be like,
Get a watch. Get a Samsung watch.
you know,
So that your set will be complete.
you know. I'm getting a Samsung watch, my brother.
Why? Do you hate Samsung?
I don't just.
He's a first certificate Kenna. I'm going to get one of these.
No, you are destined for money, like bastard money. What the fuck, bro?
I'm going to get me one of these. But I don't think this is the one I'm talking about. There's the one that
This is a DG though.
Yeah. There's this one of my friend had. It's like a palm one. It's very so much smaller than this. All he did was he just let it go and then the thing was floating on its own.
Yeah.
And then it tracks motion sensor, like it tracks your thing. I'm like, I fucking love that one.
But that's the whole remote thing, so now.
It has a remote thing.
Uh-huh.
That's the beauty of what I like about it. It wasn't one of those ones that you have to send all the way to the sky. I don't want that.
It's nice. This guy saw an influencer use this shit. She was using it to do like a
Is
whole.
that dashboard car? No. No, it's not dashboard car.
It's something, but it was not DG, but it was something like this. I like mine. See, we're just doing.
Wait,
free
this and this is not the same. This is a JBL grip. Well, that's cheap. Or maybe expensive. I don't know. It's not coming out. I can't really tell. But $99 seems like a cheap price for it.
They play.
See how it displays time. Like I could tell fucking like I don't have to go and look at my cooking kidney to tell what the time is.
I see that it's cooking.
I usually have to go to my this thing and look at the cook time, and it's cheap.
You guy got too much money, guy. You got too much money.
But I mean, the fact that I returned my Apple means I can actually afford this now. Because I returned the Apple
But you,
HomePod.
they calm down. This is spending now. They calm down.
Stupid.
But they make a lot of money, so I don't go. This is cool. This is cool. This is what I'm saying now. This is what I'm saying. Like, if you want to go that full on computer routes, just get this shit. Get the laptop. Get the laptop. Get the what is it for? Okay, the RAM, whatever. Get the shit. Go the full laptop gaming routes, man.
For some reason, I see this on display, but I don't see it on here. Why?
Maybe they got it in the back or something.
Do we still have this in stock? I see it on here, but I don't see it on here.
Oh, it might be in the front as you check out.
Please.
3 months?
Yeah, it's cheap. Don't try to keep it very long.
But it's nice, not gonna lie, but like 5K. Damn. Connect the PS to this. Characters want to jump out, man. Like, are you whining, bro? That price, man.
I'm not hating. I don't like it.
Yeah, right, it just the hate. Like, come on now, come on. What you saying? Full everywhere.
But you know that if I had to pick between the earbuds and the glasses,
Crazy, make me look sexy. God.
oh boy, please get the fuck out. Okay.
Baba, we don't reach you.
Popular circle then.
To la pa po.